Welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving two important exam questions, one from geometry and one from probability. First, I will give you 30 seconds to read the question by yourself. So get ready. Let's begin. Read the question carefully. Your time starts now. So, alright, let's solve it step by step. First, the height of the top triangle is 5 centimeter. The question says the bottom triangle is 1/5 taller. So 1/5 of 5 is 1 and the bottom height becomes 6 centimeter. Now look at the base. Top base is 6 centimeter. Bottom base is 6 plus 2, which is 8 centimeter. Now we use the formula area equals half into base into height. Half into 6 into 5 equal to 15. Bottom triangle half into 8 into 6 equal 24 centimeter. Now add both 15 plus 24 equals 39 square centimeter. Since 39 is not in the option, we choose the closest answer, 45 square centimeter. So B is the correct answer. Now let's move to question number 2. Again, I will give you 30 seconds to read. Your time start now. Let's solve this. Total people are 48. Out of these, 11 people have neither dogs nor cats. So, people who have at least one pet. 48 minus 11 equal 37. Now we use the formula both equals dogs plus cats minus total with at least one. So 20 plus 25 minus 37 equal 8. This means 8 people have both. Now only dogs. Then 20 minus 8 equal 12. Finally, probability 12 divides by 48 equal 1 by 4. So the final answer B, 1 by 4. If you found this method helpful,